Welcome to SuiteTrails, your ultimate guide to gastronomic adventures in Rome, Italy. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey as we take you on 7 unforgettable culinary tours through the heart of this enchanting city. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Do you want to learn and make your own classic Italian pizza? Come to our pizza making class in Rome, and let's make the best pizza you've ever tried. This experience will surely upgrade your stay in Rome. And when you go back home, imagine your friends and family's face when you'll start preparing classic Italian pizza for them. Our location is at one of the best restaurants around Piazza Navona, the Osteria Pasquino, by one of the most charming streets of Rome, Via del Governo Vecchio. Our pizza class in Rome is really popular, as our new chef is a real gem, and he will teach you the steps and tricks of making pizza. The symbol of Italy. Making the sauce is impossible in groups, so that's made in advance, but we will send you after the class recipe for the best pizza sauce we use in our restaurants. The delicacies you feed and pizza to from the tradition in Italian dippings, and doesn't be served you after. Number 2. There's nothing like a home-cooked Italian meal, especially when it's been prepared with the help of a professional chef, and when you get to enjoy it in a private kitchen in the heart of Rome's Trastevere neighborhood. This is an experience that only real Romans, and ones who are friends with a chef, usually get to have. Now you can, too. You'll be greeted with prosecco and a plate of cured meats and cheese. The perfect aperitivo to get your class started. Enjoy introductions as you get to know the other participants. Once you've relaxed, it's time to learn how to make fettuccine and ravioli from scratch with traditional red and white sauces, such as amatriciana, puttanesca, grisha, or cacio e pepe. You'll use seasonal ingredients to achieve the best flavor, which means your professional chef will choose the sauce based on what's available at the local markets. If you want to make authentic Italian food when you return home, this is the #1 skill to learn. Your chef will guide you through the hands-on process, which is lots of fun for both children and adults. Feel free to pick their brain about all things food and Rome related. This is your chance to learn how to cook and eat like a local. Next, it's time to eat. Enjoy your home-cooked pasta, along with wine, and finish on a sweet note with homemade gelato prepared by your professional chef. By the end, you won't just leave with a fun, rewarding memory for the whole family. You'll also leave with the know how to make an authentic Italian dish that's sure to impress your friends back home. Sites visited. Charming cooking school in the heart of Trastevere reserved just for your group. Number 3. This traditional food tour of Rome's trendy Trastevere neighborhood offers at least 5 stops at local restaurants and food shops where you'll taste the real Italy. Some of the highlights of our tour you may be trying include crunchy handmade biscuits with simple ingredients but an unforgettable flavor, tasty local artisanal cheeses, and some local hams that change according to season and supply. Supli, rice ball, topped with meat sauce, are another typical option. The maritazzo, it can be found sweet or savory. We'd be enjoying the savory version. Pasta alla carbonara, an intense flavor, typical from Rome, and prepared with Italian bacon, pecorino cheese, and black pepper. We will also taste artisanal gelato. One of the best in town, prepared with natural ingredients and presented in innovative and stunning flavors. The best way of ending an actual Italian meal. Are you a vegetarian? Do not worry. Our venues will offer you tasty alternatives in respect to the local food tradition. Number 4. Experience an unforgettable night out during Rome's longest-running pub crawl. Celebrate the night with welcome shots, a 1-hour open bar with limitless drinks, a pizza buffet, and plenty of fun drinking games. Enjoy the added perk of bonus entry into other local venues. Begin at the exclusive open bar, enjoying a lively happy hour with unlimited long drinks, beer, or wine, along with a pizza buffet. Continue the night with party games and a welcome shot at the bars you walk to. Get the most out of your pub crawl with a guide leading the way. Partnered with more than 20 top bars and clubs, many located in Rome's historic center, every night offers a distinct itinerary. Options range from classic bar hopping to thrilling boat parties, outdoor bars, and massive club events. For specific details, refer to the weekly schedule. Number 5. Tuck into Rome's iconic street food on a guided walking tour of the Jewish Quarter or Trastevere. Learn about local food with 5 tastings and try delicacies, such as pizza, soupli, and seasonal dishes. Choose between a tour of Trastevere or a tour of the Jewish Quarter, 2 of Rome's most picturesque districts with group and private tour options available. With your guide, learn about Rome's history through its most beloved street food. If you've chosen the Trastevere tour, meet your guide on Tiber Island and soak up its unique atmosphere before entering Trastevere. Step into vibrant squares, such as Piazza Santa Maria, and indulge in popular street food, from cheesy soupli to deliciously sweet Sicilian cannoli. If you've chosen the tour of the Jewish Quarter, head to the lively Campo de' Fiori Square where one of the oldest open-air markets takes place every morning. Then, follow your guide to Rome's Jewish Quarter and see highlights, including the Portico of Octavia and the Turtle Fountain. Throughout both tours, enjoy 5 tastings with a sample of wine and beer. Both tours finish on a sweet note with the perfect Italian gelato. Number 6. Italy wouldn't be the same without pasta. Are you looking for a perfect food experience in Rome? What else can be more perfect than learning how to make homemade pasta in the charming setting on Rome's most beautiful square, Piazza Navona? Join us at our fettuccine making cooking class in Rome and learn the secrets of the perfect Italian pasta. Number 7. Take a guided evening walk through Rome's foodie neighborhoods and try some of the best food, wine, and local products the city has to offer. Enjoy 20 different delicious food tastings. Start your tour with an aperitivo at La Nicchia Cafe, a water buffalo specialty shop. Taste a variety of the finest Italian cheese and cured meats. Sample fresh mozzarella di bufala, truffle cheese, Genovese pesto, tomatoes, and artichokes, accompanied by a glass of white wine. After your aperitivo, you'll head to Pizzerium, Rome's #1 pizzeria. Taste a selection of the most creative and delicious pizzas by Gabriele Bonci. Sample outstanding Italian cheeses, prosciuttos, and salamis, accompanied by fine wine. Find rare truffles, 25-year aged balsamic vinegar, and other treats. Savor handmade Roman pasta, accompanied by wine, at the locally loved restaurant Il Segreto. Finish off your tasting tour with artisanal gelato. Enjoy unlimited food and find wine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.